Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to dispatch of a lot of leaves in a very easy manner without spending a lot of money on equipment or anything like that. You won't believe how fast and easy this is. I have large 100-year-old trees. Basically, this one's already done shedding. Some of them are still shedding, but all over my property here and the neighbor's property. And this is actually the third time I'm raking this season. I have to do it kind of shifts because if I don't, it just builds up to where it's really hard to manage. But first thing you want to make sure is that you have a good rake. Get a big, nice, giant, wide one so you save yourself a lot of work. If you use a blower, that's fine. Today I'm going to use a rake and show you something I've discovered that helps out a lot. But I'm going to take these leaves that have collected around my driveway up against the wall and grab some of those off the hill that I can reach as well from down here. And you'll see that I'll dispatch of these very quickly. They tend to collect around my property for some reason. All my neighbors' leaves blow here as well. But one thing I found that has helped a lot is this right here. It's called the bagster. Let me see if I can get a shot of all this in one. But it's a huge bag that's used as a dumpster basically. And it's used usually for building materials. Say if you were doing some demo work at your house, for your company doing that type of stuff. Basically you would fill these up with all the debris, in this case, it's waste management. And they'll send a truck out that hooks onto these straps, these yellow straps you see here, and they'll take it away for you. A lot cheaper than renting a dumpster and having it on your property. But I've been using these for a couple years for gathering leaves, and I'm going to show you how that's done. You won't believe how fast and easy it is. You can use this to either pile up the leaves, to use baggers to bag it up, or bags I should say, or in my case I like to use the leaves for mulch and things like that. I'll put them in my garden. I'll put them around the trees. I've got woods in my backyard. I'll put them around the trees because basically it's food for them. So we toss them and we kind of waste all that valuable energy that's natural and good for the earth. So that's what I usually do. But I will show you how it's done. And also I've come up with another idea that's going to even make this a lot better. And I will put that in part 2 of this video and show you how to build a frame for this that I've sketched out. And it's going to make it a lot easier. I'll have a lot more capacity, and I'll show you that probably. I'll have that uploaded probably within a week of doing this video. So be sure to like and subscribe and tune in for that. Okay, got these leaves raked up, and I'm going to show you how I use the bag. Okay, so I've got the bag laid out. I put a couple rocks on it to kind of flatten out a little bit to make it a little bit easier. And what I'm going to do is just kind of toss the leaves towards the center of the bag. Got a little other debris as well. Put it down there to hold it. Hey everyone, just wanted to finish up this video. I lost the last 20 seconds or so somehow, so I was able to bring that large pile of leaves over and dump it into an area that where I built a wall. I'm going to throw some mulch on that. I just tamped it down with my rake and hosed it down to get it to settle down, and I'm going to make use of those leaves. It's organic material, and I plan on planting some plants in here next season, and that should help with the fertilizer. So want to make sure you tune in for my next video. I've sketched out, as I mentioned, a frame for that bag that's going to make this so much easier. It was a little awkward dumping the leaves into this, but I'm going to have a frame that I can hold on to, and that will make it more stable and allow it to work more like almost like a gigantic bucket. So be sure to tune into that. It's going to be lightweight and allow me to pull it around and not make it I should say less awkward. So be sure to subscribe, and you'll see the next video.